Hi, I am Dr. Elizabeth Samantha Rothschild Judge, founder and Chief Executive Officer of Corporate Law and Securities Incorporated. I want to talk about Corporate Medical Industries, which is a subsidiary of Corporate Law and Securities Incorporated. Sex therapy department. I can license, certify, educate, train psychiatric nurses for sex therapy. So I'm looking for some psychiatric nurses, people that can make it to being a registered nurse by intelligence, to be modified into the nursing science program at the DNS, Capacity Doctorate of Nursing Science, for a psychiatric institution credentials for sex therapy. Sex therapy may or may not include sexual intercourse, sexual acts, and sexual conduct, blah, blah, blah. But what it gets down to is the psychiatric treatment for that. It's therapeutic service. It's a psychiatric and medical service. It's therapeutic. Now, this is what I want to say. I am not and cannot, by policy, license, train, certify, or educate persons for sex therapy who have sexual health deficiencies. So someone who is terminally ill due to a sexually transmitted disease or has a sexually transmitted disease that cannot be cured, then that is not the ideal candidate to be a sex therapy nurse. Okay? Another thing I want to say is that sex therapy does not mean prostitution. It doesn't mean, someone wants sex, you get the money and you go hop and skip and have sex. That's not what it's about. It's deeper than that. It's a lot of counseling, intense therapy. Now, here's the other thing. Speaking about sexual health deficiencies, I don't need any nurses who the hind part of their cootie meat is ruined. Do you know that is a sexual health deficiency? I don't care how tiny your waist is and how big your rump is. If the back part of your cootie meat is ruined, then you have a sexual health deficiency, okay? So you cannot know about normal cootie cat when the hind part of your own cootie meat is ruined. So don't apply to me when you have that condition. So one person said, well, I got this, my butt, she's talking about her surgery, and it covers up, under her legs or whatever. But nonetheless, the hind part of your cootie meat is ruined. You can't work for me, okay? That's a sexual health deficiency. So it just so happened that this person had talked about someone else who has a sexual health deficiency. And, I was a little upset because this person is a unique case. It was due to abuse and misguidance. So they're going through their treatments for that. And this person has the nerve to look down on that person. And I'm like, but the hind part of your cootie meat ruined. What? Right? Okay, so I just wanted to put that out there about that. And I'll give more information on my sex therapy psychiatric nursing clinic as the time goes on, because we're about to modify and rehabilitate some property to settle in corporate medical industries with all of the departmental functions. And so the sex therapy is going to come up. And I'm just saying straight up, if the hind part of your cootie meat ruined, you can't do nothing for me. For whoever like that for your lifestyle, keep that there. But I do psychiatric and medical services, therapeutic treatments, and the hind part of your cootie meat being ruined don't fit into the scheme of my therapeutic services. All right. Everybody have a great day.